I tweeted yesterday a potential breaking of the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders on a 4-hour, and our next target would be a monthly resistance that would be 69.5, and after that the next resistance would be the all-time high. And I asked, are we going to get new all-time highs prior to halving or not? And guess what happened? We're going to look at that now. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to help us grow. All right, let's get started with making sure nothing of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and all of these videos are for entertainment purpose only. All right, so yeah, yesterday I tweeted, or I exit, whatever you guys want to call it, that Bitcoin was about to break the neckline. And guess what? Boom, it popped it, right? So it popped it straight out right there. That's the 4-hour. So it went up, went back, rejected, and boom, straight up today. And the resistance, now it broke the monthly resistance. Now we're waiting for a pullback and a break of that, and that could lead us to the next target, which will be the all-time high around the 7,400. So will that, wait a minute, what I'm talking about, 7,400, 74,000, my friends, 74,000. Just a little correction. So let's go back to the video now. So will that go in there? I don't know. We don't know yet. Now it's probably, it could. That's a good probability. So let's put our moving averages over here, see what we got. So we broke the 21. So what basically happened right there, it was about to break. It broke the 21, and then here it broke the neckline. Went up, down, we up. Now we're waiting for that. In the meantime, we'll look at this moving average to go up and do that. But maybe it goes so quick that it's just gonna fly up. We're not even gonna see the moving averages move, and the moving average is just gonna go straight up like that. And then we might have a pullback up there. So let's see what happens. But that's basically, like, not that I call it, but I tweeted that. I was expecting that because of the scenario of the inverse head and shoulders. And for those that says that TA don't work, there's right there. 1 hour, nice pullback and went. Now it's encountered a little resistance on this area. That's the 1 hour. So we'll just wait and see if that breaks, retest, come back, even retest the resistance on the monthly resistance. This is the R1 on the pivot point, on the monthly pivot point. Okay. Let's look at the RSI on the 4-hour as well. Still at 70. But what you want to look at on the RSI is this. I like to keep the 4 hours on the green. As whoever watched my videos prior know, all my, I like to put the trend lines on whatever color I'm using related to the time frame. So we got uptrend there, and uptrend there. So we're still a strong trend related to the RSI. Might look into a little bounce, hold it on a 50, and then keep up. And that's if that happens, that's gonna keep up. That's gonna bring us to the next target. We're already halfway to that. So I'm personally looking to a break of this 1 hour line, come back, test the monthly resistance that would have turned into support, and then go for all-time highs. So let's take a look at on the daily and see what the daily tells us. Pretty strong trend. I like to move this trend, small trend line, which was on a 4 hour. Like to move that down to here, potentially do that, touching everything, and we're gonna turn that into a daily. And so basically on the daily, I'm expecting this. Before we do that, let's mark up, let's put the halving over here, 20. Let's do around the April 20. I'm gonna do April 23rd, which is my birthday. So text, Bitcoin halving. All right. So we got that right there. So what I'm looking at is Bitcoin could have come back here, turn that resistance into support, trade to the all-time highs, break, come back, test the all-time highs, and go for that next R2, the next resistance. And then that would be getting close to the halving. That could be a little sell the news. That we can come to that and then do that, or we can just flush a little more and come look for the monthly pivot point. And then at the meantime, we got the halving, and then we got the new month coming in around here. And then after that, we're gonna have a new set of pivot points and supports and resistance for the new month. And then we'll play the next, and then the next phase comes in. So I think that could be, that's very well played. I think that could be that. I don't think we're gonna go straight up with the decent pullback. I don't think this pullback was all we're gonna get. I think we're gonna get either a retest of this or a bigger pullback to that. That's what I think. What you guys think? Leave me on a comment. Put it on the comments below. What you guys think. Of course, I'm very bullish to that, but I still think we can have it a little more pullbacks. We're gonna have this was 17% pullback. We can really get an extra 10%. I believe we can still get a 25 to 30% pullback. My area was about here, right? So 30% pullback. Let me mark that. Now, so from the all-time high to the recent pullback, we got about 18%. I still believe we can get from the top or either from that next resistance a 30% pullback. That would lead us somewhere around this area over here. So I still believe we can either pull it all the way to here or go higher and pull it all prior to halving, and then consolidate on this area for a little bit. Either consolidate in here for a while before we just bump it up. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think. And this is what we got for Bitcoin today, March 25th. All right. Hit the like button, subscribe, and check the description, the links on the description for some discounts. That would have helped the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.